These are the 7 different points that make up this golden setup that allowed me to increase my balance by $10,000 this morning in just 3.5 minutes. And you can learn all about this in tomorrow's event. All of that is down in the description, but there's 7 different points that make this up, and we're gonna break it down right now. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe if you haven't done so. And if you haven't watched that video, go check it out. Here is the SMA. This is the 55. We are below the 55. That is step number 1. We also do have a crossover moving averages, but that's technically number 7. So number 2 is we have our support. We wanted to make sure that we waited until this support was broken. At the same time, we see that this candle is fully below the support. The support has finally broken through. It comes down here, bounces off this support, goes up, bounces off the moving average, comes down, and it breaks through on this candle right here. Not only that, but this moving average has come down at a nice smooth angle, and then all of a sudden it is very sharply coming down. Not only that, but it's inside of this candle that I took my trade on. Okay, so the moving average is inside the candle. We have the kink of the moving average, and this candle breaks the support. So that means that this candle here that we see that's pulling down, this is where I took my trade. I took it very confidently too. Now, how did I know where to trade? Because all of those things mean nothing if you don't really have everything, if that makes sense. This is our CCI, the one with the pink solid background, and it's solid in here because we don't trade inside of there. That's a very huge no-no. It's like a stop sign, okay? So we have our CCI that is pointed down. Number 6 is that this Williams is pointed up. Now, the candle after this is much higher up on the Williams. So you could have taken a trade on the candle following this as well. You could actually have ridden this entire thing down like thousands and thousands of dollars. But anyways, I digress. And then lastly, we have our we have a crossover moving averages. There's many other things that we could have gone over, but we are going to go over these in the video, such as the trend line that actually connects all of these so that you would know when or whether not to take the trade, okay? But if you want to learn all about this and learn how to use this method to increase your balance like I did, it's very simple. We're going to go over the hustle, we're going to go over the spillover, the golden setup, and there's one more that I figured out this morning, and it is actually called the Michael Jackson, okay? So it sounds kind of funny, but every single move has to have its name, and that's just what it reminded me of. So anyways, smash that like, subscribe if you haven't done so. Join my Telegram, it's 100% free. You can learn how to do this partially for free inside of there, and you can also access the free course, okay? So I will see you on the next video breakdown, and also see you tomorrow inside of the event.